I am in front of a project whose title it is ready and it is suitable for residency permit and Turkish citizenship. The location of this project is located in the Asian part of Istanbul and especially Sultan Beyli. Let us see the full details about it. Thank you so much. Guys, I have a new project in the Asian part of Istanbul. It's called Merkezi Hayat. It is located in Sultan Beyli in the Asian part of Istanbul. Now Sultan Beyli, almost more than 95% they're all Turkish people, so rarely when you're walking you find foreigners in this district. And also it is far from the hustle and the bustle of the city. There is Eidos forest which is almost 3 minutes away from this location. Now I have got this amazing project which is consisting of 220 apartments, 2 bedroom, 3 bedroom, and on the top of the floors we have duplex apartments. It is built on 13,000 square meter, the total lands of the project, and even we have 57 shops ready to move in, and also spacious apartments in terms of the spaces for 2 bedroom that contains 2 bathrooms and a balcony. And for the view of the apartments that is here, we have on the forest side and then we have 3 side views. The facilities is Turkish bath, hammam, sauna, in addition to car parking and the security 24 hours for this project. I'm gonna talk about 3 points for the investment in this option. The first one is the metro station. Metro station is almost 2 minutes away from this location, which is not done at the moment. It is under construction. It will take almost 1 year to be finished. So imagine metro is done, the value of the property is increased in this project. The second one, 15 minutes away, we are far from the financial center, the biggest financial center in the Asian part of Istanbul. So people are working in the financial center, then they're gonna search for a shelter, so technically they will come to stay in this project, so the property value will be increased. Başakşehir, in the European part of Istanbul, there was Şehir Hastanesi, which is the city hospital that built in the districts. Now all of the property value has been increased around Başakşehir Hospital. So another hospital in Sancaktepe, the government is building it at the moment. Once it is done, also same story in Başakşehir. So how the value of the property has been increased. In this project also it will be increased. And we don't forget that we are almost 10 minutes away from Sabiha Istanbul Airport. The capital appreciation is around 40 to 50% in the next coming 2 years. You can pay 50% as an advance and you can get the key of the apartment, and then you pay the installment up to 3 years, 36 months. Also, the district contains many shopping malls such as Atlas Mall, which is 3 minutes away from this location and which is active, by the way. And also it contains many international schools, hospitals. The area is really serviced well. To get more information about the specific offers from this option or our next options, please, there is a Google form in the description, so you put your information and send it to us, or you can directly contact us by the WhatsApp number. And thanks so much for watching.